Are you still looking for a lake house here at Lake of the Ozarks? Well, look no further. I have the most adorable house for you here at 25 Old Sassafras Road. Let's check it out. This house has been completely remodeled top and bottom with the most beautiful finishes and touches throughout. This darling lake house is just under 2,000 square feet. It's got 4 bedrooms, 1 non-conforming, 2.5 baths, and sleeps 10. It's been completely remodeled throughout and comes furnished and turnkey, ready for you to move in. The third level of this home is currently being used as storage, but could easily be turned into an extra living space. This home sleeps up to 10 people, and there's plenty of parking out front for everyone. Located at the 4-mile marker of the Osage, you are located just minutes from Bagnell Dam Boulevard, which boasts many restaurants and outdoor activities. Hi, I'm Jennifer Wasilak with Cranston Associates. Thank you so much for checking out my newest listing here at 25 Old Sassafras Road. If you've got any questions regarding this home or any others here at the lake, please feel free to give me a call at 417-766-3549.